Aminado daw po kasi ang couple na sina Jackie at si Dave na suki sila ng pambabash. Ang hirap-hirap nga naman po kasi ngayon kapag ka nagpo-post ka online. Yan na rin talaga ang ating koneksyon para sa ating mga friends, relatives. Pero pati yung mga hindi natin kakilala, nakikisilip na rin, nakikireact di ba? Pero ang problema kasi daw, kaya sila nababash. Ha? Higit 40 years pala ang age gap nitong si Jackie sa kanyang American husband na si Dave. Kaya ang ending, madalas daw silang putaktihin ng mga bashers. Ang masaklap nga lang, itong si Jackie, ang mas na palaging napupuruhan na tawaging gold digger. Uy, masakit yun O kaya naman yung green card digger. Ayan, o gusto lang mapunta sa Amerika. Kaya alam nyo na, ang pangit lang pakinggan sa atin sa mga Pinoy na, kaya naman kasi ganyan kasi ganito sige. Eto, kausapin na nga po natin mula sa Oakland, California. 31 years old si Jackie. 'Di ba? Hindi naman na rin siya ganun kabata. Samantala, ito namang si Dave ay 72 years old. Jackie and Dave, welcome to Heart to Heart.
Thank you for having us.
Good afternoon.
Hello, Dave.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. Thanks for having us on your broadcast.
Oh, it's our pleasure. Jackie. Sige.
Hey po. Good afternoon.
Diretsoy na natin to. Tinuturo-turuan mo ba na mag-Filipino itong si Dave during your free time?
Not really po.
Okay, first of all, where did you two meet?
Well, we first met via a website that specializes in bringing together Western men and women who live in Asian countries,
Mhm.
particularly the Philippines. And one day I happened to be in Cebu, Jackie City in the Philippines, and I was looking at this website and I saw Jackie's profile on it. And I was very impressed by what I saw.
In-
So I sent her a message saying, asking her if she'd like to get together. And she responded favorably.
Mhm.
So a couple of days later, we met in person. And that was the beginning of our wonderful relationship.
Oh, and this happened in Cebu. When was this, Dave?
This was in October of 2016.
Oh, 2016. How old were who are you with in 2016? Are you with your friends or are you on tour alone here in Cebu?
Well, I had a friend from the United States who I knew was going to be here around that time. So he was here when I arrived, but it was mainly me traveling on my own. But although him being here was him being there
Mhm.
was one of the reasons I went to
Oh.
Cebu.
Okay, to be with your friend and then you met with Jackie. So Jackie, are you from Cebu?
Yes po. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So nandun ka na lang rin sa area, ano? Oo. Pero ano ba, ikaw ba in a relationship noon? Kasi this was what, 10 years ago. You were 21 years old then.
Yeah. I was not in a relationship po.
Mm.
4 years.
Mm.
So I was single when I met him, I guess.
Okay, and sige nga, kwentuhan mo kami, Jackie, kumusta yung first time? Siyempre, 21 years old ka noon, tapos senior na rin, with all due respect to Dave, di ba? Di ba, senior na rin siya noon, papaano? Hindi ka ba parang medyo na-intimidate, ganoon?
Honestly, when Dave sent me a message na gusto niya makipag-met sa akin, is I don't really have idea how he looks like.
Oh.
Honestly, I don't know. I didn't review his
Oo.
profile, as in wala. I just went to the mall para makipagkita sa kanya for lunch, and we just met in a coffee shop. Tapos binigyan lang niya ako ng cookies. Tapos the rest dinala din niya ako sa fast food. Hindi man lang nagpa-impress siguro.
Hindi man lang sa sa medyo sosyalin na restaurant. Aba, nagrereklamo
Hindi.
ka pa ngayon, ha? Mm.
Kaya nga sinabi ko sa kanya, ba't hindi ka nagpa-impress sa akin? Ba't dinala mo ako sa fast food?
Mm-mm. But I think it's cute. Diba? It's kind of
I think
cute.
so.
Oo,
It's
kasi
funny and cute.
kasi
And
2
it worked. And it worked also.
Yeah, it worked because 2 days after you two had a chat, here you are. You have no time to prepare for something more special than a fast food resto, right? You haven't
Well,
been.
Jackie was, if I remember correctly that day, Jackie at that time was working
Mhm.
graveyard shift at her job. So she didn't, did you come right after your shift ended or you slept a
Yeah.
little bit
I
first?
slept for a few hours.
So Jackie didn't have a lot of time to prepare. Once she got off her shift, she went home and slept for a few hours,
Mhm.
and then quickly came up to Cebu to meet me at Ayala Mall.
And then it started there until now, 10 years after you're together. Are you two married already?
Yes, we are. We just celebrated our 8 years wedding anniversary last week.
Yes.
Oh, a happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so 2 years muna, Jackie, bago kayo nag-decide to get married, ano? Okay, Dave, did you have a family of your own before you met Jackie?
No,
Single.
single, yes.
Oh, single from from your younger age until you met Jackie. What made you decide to marry Jackie?
Well, she just had all the qualities that I was looking for.
Mhm.
Jackie is a wonderful person on the outside and on the inside.
Mhm.
And she, at least in my way of looking at things, she has all the qualities that any sane man would want.
Yeah.
She's just wonderful, and every day I just am so thankful that we happened to meet that time in the Philippines 10 years ago, because that really changed my life for the better, and I'm just so grateful for that.
Yeah. At Jackie, talaga single si Dave nung na-meet mo siya at ikaw very much single din naman noon. Nga lang, eto na. Here come the complications. Okay? Natatawag ka ngayon, Jackie, na gold digger. 'Di ba? Alam mo naman yung mga
Opo.
chismoso at mga chismosa dito sa Pilipinas. 'Di ba? Ayan, and green card digger. Ayan, sabihin na natin if there is such a term, ano? Ayan, pero papaano nyo hinarap ito? Papaano mo rin inexplain kay Dave na merong mga issues na ganito?
For us naman po, lagi kasing sinasabi sa akin ni Dave na don't take it personally, just don't let them bother you. Kasi pag nababother ka kasi, pag naapektuhan ka sa mga sinasabi nila,
Mhm.
mas lalo silang sumaya, mas lalo ka nilang ibabash
Mhm.
pag nakita nilang naapektuhan ka. Ganon. Ang importante, alam namin sa isa't isa yung totoo.
Yeah. Oo, kasi nga 'di ba ang mga kwentuhan dito kapag ganyan medyo malayo ang age gap tapos uy, nasa Amerika pa. 'Di ba may mga ganoon parang nagte-take advantage yung dating sa mga tao. But of course, meron talaga yung napaka-persistent sa pangungulit at doon sa pambabash. One way or another, I'm sure naapektuhan ka rin, Jackie. How did you face it? How did you dance to the music?
I mean, we just ignore them. I mean, we make videos, like, we just make fun with them. I
Mm.
mean, we don't want to be affected because we know, people know us, that we're real people, we're in real relationship. The important thing is we love each other. Wala kaming inapakan
Yeah.
na ibang tao. It's just for the both of us. We're happy to have
Mm.
each other po.
And do you think that Dave played a major part because, well, he's older than you are, di ba? He was able to deal with more people na, di ba, wala na lang yan. Don't mind them. Ano yung mga words of wisdom na nakuha mo kay Dave? Of course, aside from being a husband, siya ay mas ano na nga sa'yo, no? Mas experienced, 'di ba, sa communication sa ibang tao.
Opo. So yeah, it's everything he always said, don't let them bother you. I mean, it's just like important is don't take it personally, because people, they will say something whatever they want, to make their life, like they will think that
Mm.
criticizing other people, I mean, it make them happy instead of like fixing their own problems in life.
Mhm.
Is it?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, for Dave, Dave, I'm sorry, I just have to ask this question. But of course, do you have friends who warned you about getting into a relationship at at your age then at 62?
No, I did not receive any warnings from any of my friends or family
Mm-hmm.
members. They were all very supportive.
Mm-hmm.
Um, some of them might have had some reservations, but they didn't express it outwardly.
Mm-hmm.
And most importantly, they wanted me to be happy,
Oh.
and so they know I'm a good-hearted person, and that I could make a good husband for someone. And so for the most part, in fact, uniformly, my friends and family members were supportive. I didn't receive any warnings about
Mm-hmm.
marrying someone who was much younger than me.
Yeah.
I didn't receive any warnings about, oh, she might just be after a passport or a green
Mm-hmm.
card.
Yeah.
Nothing like that at all.
Alright. At syempre, nasa karakter naman din kasi ni Jackie, 'di ba? At napatunayan. But, well, speaking of these issues, well, coming from other people about being a gold digger or green card digger or whatnot, did you two really have to prove your love to anybody?
No, we really didn't, and we really didn't need to.
Mm.
As Jackie mentioned a little while ago, um, we've known from the start that our relationship is real, and it's based on love.
Yeah.
And I think we've repeatedly proven that and shown that, through our videos or just in our daily lives, interacting with each other.
Mhm.
So we've never felt the need to prove that our relationship is real, because we know it is real, and that's the only thing that's really important to us.
Iyon. And that's what I wanted to hear from this couple. 'Di ba? Oo, 'di ba Jackie? O sa dami-dami ng mga detractors dito sa Pilipinas, lalo na kapag uy, merong AFAM. Alam mo naman Jackie, ang mga kwentuhan, 'di ba? I'm quite sure you have friends, mga relatives, 'di ba, na dati parang ganun din. Kaya Dave, meron din mga reservations. Sure ka ba dyan, Jackie? 'Di ba may mga ganoon? Sure ka ba sa desisyon mo? Ang bata-bata mo pa. 'Di ba ganyan ang mga itinatanong sa'yo? But then again, na-in love na si Jackie. Tinuloy-tuloy na ang panliligaw nitong si Dave. And 2 years after nga, na nag-meet kayo noong 2016, at 2018, you two tied the knot.
Opo.
Ang galing. Ang galing. At hanggang ngayon, You're still together. Ano ang message ninyo, Dave and Jackie, para sa mga couple na, well, almost twice yung age difference, Jackie? What would your advice be, Dave and Jackie, sa mga couple na ganito na true love naman yung nararamdaman namin. Kaso, nahihiya kami, baka mahusgahan kami, makriticize kami nung iba. But then again, balik tayo, true love naman 'Di ba? We got nothing to do we got nothing to prove sa iba, pero para sa amin dalawa lang. Anong mga addition nyo pa doon, Jackie and Dave?
Good. Good. Like advice for people with that age gap relationships.
Okay, I would say rather than worry about the age gap relationship, I'm speaking from the man's point of view with a lady coming over to the man's country, in my case the United States. Really, the age gap wasn't something to worry about so much. It's more the cultural differences that might be an issue, especially at the start, and the fact that the lady is coming and she's going to be starting a new life, that she's going to be away from all those things in her life that she previously had been familiar with. She's going to be away from her family, from her friends, from a culture that she's aware of, and is going to be starting a new life far away from all of that. So instead of being concerned with the age gap, which really never bothered me much, I was more concerned about how well Jackie would adjust to her new life here in the United States. Again, because it would be different, at least initially, from what her life was like back in the Philippines. So my advice to anyone it's hard to generalize because each case is different.
Yes.
But I would emphasize the need to, whether there's a large age gap or not, to do everything you can to help your spouse adjust to her new life in a new land where there's maybe a new culture and where she's far away from home. That's the sort of thing I think where problems can develop. And that's where I think the man has to be especially sensitive and helpful in helping his wife adjust.
Oh, very well said, Dave. O, di ba? Talagang yung homesickness. Kalaban natin yan, Jackie. O, di ikaw, nag-iiyak-iyak ka rin nung nandyan ka na.
Hindi naman po. Kasi,
Ay, hindi na rin?
Hindi. Kasi, lumaki kasi ako na walang magulang po. Kaya
Oh.
nasanay ako na mag-isa sa buhay. Kaya nang dumating ako dito, tapos Dave always supported me naman po, whatever I want. We have a lot of Filipino community here in the
Yes.
Bay Area naman po.
Wow, very nice. Okay, as for you, Jackie, ano naman ang may advice mo?
Ano lang din po. It's the same po. Don't worry about the age gap as long as you both love and respect each other.
Yes.
That's the really important po.
Yun, yan ang hindi talaga nag-age, yung love and respect. Ayan, napaka-importante na mga bahagi ng nagtatagal na pagmamahalan. Okay, do you speak, Cebuana, Jackie?
Opo.
Okay, baka gusto mo batiin muna yung mga nakikinig sa atin sa Sugbo.
Hi, taga Cebu dyan. Thank you.
Your relatives. You might want to greet your relatives in Cebu.
Okay. Hi to my relatives like Flor, Judy Ann, Nelson, and my friend Jerai. Hi.
Oh, ayun. Sabi ko, sa Cebuana
Sorry.
Baka nami-miss mo na yung dialect ninyo
Wala.
Sige, ulit.
Kaya naman.
Replay.
Kaya. Hi, Flor, Judy, and Nelson, and my friend, Jirai. Kumusta? And see you soon.
Oh, ayun. Sige. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much, Dave and Jackie, for sharing your story.
Thank you
Oh.
for having us. Thank you for having us on your broadcast.
Yeah, it's our pleasure. And I'm sure marami rin ang mga na-inspire at syempre napaalalahanan na you don't take advantage. 'Di ba? Kapag ka ikaw ay meron nakikilala lalo na yung ibang culture at huwag ka ring matatakot kapag ka ang laki ng age gap eh. Yung iba nga, Jackie, 'di ba dito sa atin 5 years ang age gap. No, you're so young. 10 years ang age gap. Naku, tita mo na ako. Of course not. Oo, ang totoong pagmamahal, walang edad na tinitignan, 'di ba? Basta totoo ito. If it's true love na merong kayang ibigay na respeto, pwede na ituloy ito. At kahit ano pang sabihin ng iba, love mo eh. O, anong magagawa? O, katulad ni Jackie at ni Dave na 8 years married na ngayon at nasa Oakland, California na sila. Thank you very much. Mga kapatid, dito tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM. Mag-subscribe at mag-follow na sa social media accounts at True Network PH sa FB, Instagram, X na dating Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, and podcasts.